Hi, this is Suze 11 Tarot. I'm going to do a flip through of this byRavynne Phelan. I hope I said that right. Secret Oracle. And I originally was going to order it last year, but then there was some sort of delay. And then I just noticed recently that it was published in January. So it's fairly new, and here it is. And I was looking at it and I was like, wow, this is just beautiful art. So okay, so let me dig in here. Okay, let's see. I probably should have done this part earlier. Okay, all right, so here we are. Okay. Okay, and here's the book. And it shall be given to you. Seek and you shall find. Knock and the door will open. Okay. All right, so here we go. Choice to make. Ooh, a king to be. A queen bee. Advice from a cat. Unfair judgment. Balance your energy. Be a curious creature. Be neutral. Be of service. Being bullheaded. Okay. Cause and effect. Choose love. Connection is necessary. Enjoy the moment. Expand your universe. Express gratitude. Grow together. Have faith. Heed the vibes. Here and now. Hush, listen. Illusory obstacles. It is time. Know your labels. Knowledge is power. Leap of fortune. Life's a juggle. Look to the future. Love your inner child. That's so cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Made for motion. Name the thing. Wow. There's depth in that eye. Not so black and white. One faithful friend. Ooh, open your mind. Okay. Process and absorb. Raise them up. Reap what you sow. Respond with grace. See the patterns. Seek inspiration. Set it free. Shameless sensuality. Tell your story. The importance of sleep. I like that one. The key to wisdom. The seeker's journey. Time to rise. Trust in science. Undeserving villains. Unorthodox approach. Weave your reality. What do you seek? This is the one that made it to the cover. Okay. What do you seek? And your path alone. Okay, now, let's see. They're pretty thick cards. And they have a matte, and so they don't, they don't glare. That's nice. Okay, and let's see how they shuffle. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. Oh, they feel really nice. Okay, they feel thick. Feels like a nice quality here. Cardstock. Okay, so it might take some time to get them unstuck. Okay. All right, so oh my goodness, I picked out the cover. Okay. All right, so this has been the byRavynne Phelan flip through, and my first impressions, I love it. I think they're beautiful. The art is beautiful. The back is gorgeous. I tried to match the candle here. But it's beautiful. I feel like the artwork is just, look at that. It's just amazing, don't you think? Okay. And it's fairly new. It's just been published in January, so I'm going to have fun doing readings with this. Okay. And so this is Sue's 11 Tarot. I don't know if I said that. Thank you for joining me. Thank you.